getting this one prepared. I had to take it from this point on up to get an expansion tank that goes up here. I'm kind of waiting for that to be delivered now. And this right here is the feed for the water heater. With the connection on it, it should go right back. I know they want to save as many as they can. But that's all that this one needed at the moment. So I went on ahead and did this one, and then I'll get back to that other one next door. Another one next door over here, across the way here, in H. Okay, is that another one here? I got it out. So this one is up next. I'm trying to work my way down and out. So I'm going to begin working on this one soon. So with that being said, just a quick note, quick stop when I had a chance, and I'll show you what's going on. All right, with that being said, AC out. Shalom.